Not every time rice and stew. Leave rice and stew alone and try this delicious sauce. You're going to enjoy it and it's super delicious. If today is your first time coming across this channel, you're welcome. My name is Chidera. Please do well to subscribe, like, share my video and always leave your comments. And to all my new subscribers, thank you so much guys for subscribing. You're welcome to this beautiful family. To my OGs, my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support your girl. So guys, without wasting much time, let's get down to the video.
Even when I fall, your hand, you still there, hold my hand. Lover of my soul, you know they break my heart.
So to make this sauce, I have here tomatoes, fresh pepper, I have bawa, ginger, garlic and onions. Okay, so this is my pepper mix, and here is my beef, my already washed beef. So I have some chopped onions, and then for my vegetable I'll be using green. So this is the vegetable I'm using. I've already washed and sliced the green. So we are going to start now to cook our meat. In a pot, go in with your meat, washed beef. Add your onions, then I'm going to be adding my fresh pepper now. Add in your fresh pepper. I'll go in with my seasoning cube. Then I'm going to add little water to cook this beef. I'm going to mix this now to properly combine everything together. I will cover the pot and allow this to cook until the beef is well cooked. So guys, our beef is cooked now. Look how yummy our meat is looking like. It took me the grace of God not to finish this beef. So I'm just going to take this down now and then we'll start making our sauce. If you have watched me up to now, it means you are enjoying this video. Please help me to like, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Help me to share my video, okay? Please share my video. So in a dried pan, I will go in with my vegetable oil. I'm just going to allow this to heat up. Then I will add in my chopped onions. I'll go in with my pepper mix now so that everything can fry together. I will add in my seasoning cube now. Mix this very well to combine. Cover the pot and allow this to fry. Our pepper mix is fried now. As you can see, the pepper mix is perfectly fried. I will go in with my beef and the stock. I'm going to be adding in some salt for adjustment. If you think everything is okay, then there is no need to add in salt, okay? Mix this very well now. Cover and allow it to cook for few more minutes. At this point, the aroma in your kitchen should be calling people to your kitchen. Guys, this tastes so good, so good. You are going to love it. So I'm just going to mix up everything now. And it's time for me to add in my vegetable. I'll cover this and allow this to cook for few seconds, okay? Few seconds or just a minute max. And 1 minute later, I'm going to mix this to combine this very well. Guys, have you subscribed? Have you shared this video? Have you shared? Please help me to share my video, okay? Help me to share my video, please. What will you be enjoying with this sauce? I had Sinasir with the sauce, and also I ate this with rice. Let me know what you'll be enjoying with this sauce. This sauce is so delicious. And guys, here is our sauce, looking so yummy and delicious. You will love this sauce. This sauce came out absolutely delicious, guys. I'm not even capping. This is super delicious. You are going to love it and your family will enjoy it. Try it, okay, and let me know your feedback. Hope you are going to be trying out this recipe. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share my video, don't forget to leave your comment for me in the comment section, and if you have not subscribed up to now, please subscribe, okay? Subscribe, guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Until then, please stay safe. Bye.
Wẹ́rẹ́ wẹ́rẹ́ ló bá mi ṣe so.